Okay, just wanted to give a look of the part when it's welded, and from my previous video, I was showing why I welded on this side. So all my basically work is all here, right? So this side, there's nothing to do. Well, for one, I see that I got full penetration. Over here, I messed with my settings a little too much and got some bleed through on my weld, but the heat affected zone, which is this circled area, says that I have penetration and these two are truly bonded together. But you can basically see everywhere that was welded, and I'm going to clean it up and be back in a moment to show you what it all looks like when I clean it up. And it also shows why I didn't prime this yet, or I was really just priming here because I really wanted here primed with weld through primer. And then now I'm going to come back and clean all these up and then weld through prime it. So give me a moment. I'm going to clean this side up and I'll show you exactly why I welded from the opposite side. Okay, so this is the part after being cleaned up. So you can see there, pretty much there's no small little pitting, and you kind of avoid a lot of the issues of having to bondo or put anything in the welds, because as much as you might weld and fill in the hole as much as you can, there's small little pits in there. So the paint will, for the most part, fill it with those little fine little pits from the welding, like little porosity. But you avoid having to go through that on your finished side versus the other side, which you can maybe see a little bit over there. So, and slight little pieces there. So that adds up. So we're going to do the same thing, and again, and the other important part is that I didn't reduce the thickness of this piece at all because I just used my cleaning disc. So I just cleaned it up. So that's so this is ready to well, once I clean up here, it'll be ready to paint and or prime and then install on the car. And just as a note, I already said about here, this didn't fit properly. Everything else is geometrically fine, but this didn't fit properly, so I'm gonna have to cut it here and then tap it onto the rocker panel to get it all to work out. But once I chop this and then I paint it, I prime it, I will install it and give you another update and probably a different video. All right, till next time.